I mean, they say that this is a very skillful means for helping their disciples, and it's a display of their higher wisdom, which cannot be understood by those of lesser attainment. Right, what are we to think of this? Right?
In fact, Solinus once met a nun, a Western nun, who, sorry, Solinus once met a Western nun who insisted that she should be given the third empowerment.
Concretely.
She means this is something, something not the ordinary, is it? The third initiation.
Let's go for it. Now, it is
literally, 이쪽 코라서 루시아 literally 걸 봐.
So if we were to take, sorry, if we were to take the meaning of the empowerment text literally, the third empowerment really literally never involves a sexual act.
right.
자상가 전진의 거네 개론 왕치마 개론이야 인 상황시랑 까리스 개론 왕디고는 되게 많이 신변은 아주 뒤랑는 알이라 다들 아주 공부하는 전에 뭐한 왕도 책이었어 미노슬라베스 그래 지금 무슨 잖아 상황시랑이부터 개론이야 전 되게 많이 했어 개론 고도 되게 많이 했어
Because of this need to actually engage in the sexual act when given the third empowerment ceremony, if we were to take it literally.
Second and third.
Bodhisattva.
I mean, the second mainly is involved by Lama teaching himself or herself. Then third mainly is the disciple.
Therefore, the Bodhisattva Paradigma in that text, Atisha states that if the practitioner is one who has vows of ordinary vows, be it bhikkhu or bhikkhuni, then that person cannot take second and third empowerments. And we, the Tibetan tradition, the custom is to interpret that to mean that if the practitioner is a bhikshu or bhikshuni,
the meaning is
the meaning.
The meaning
of that statement is understood that in terms of stating that if the practitioner is a person with full ordination, like a bhikshu or bhikshuni, then that person cannot either receive or confer the second and third empowerments in actuality.
Does that mean that lay people can?
Now here, actually, this is the practice of, let's say, sexual thing is they allowed only those people who have deep insight, deep insight or deep I don't know whether it's a crazy wisdom or not. Somehow it's the proper wisdom, and so that to them, the alcohol and urine and what we call the other thing come from here. What we call? Oh, these and human flesh, because of human flesh, animal flesh, same. He or she enjoy. Stool is a urine, just like alcohol. Or such person allowed to conduct these things. So I'm quite afraid, right? I think these teachers, I think in their mouth, if we put some urine, I think they will not enjoy.
That's good.
Like you are the river. When it's honey, Lamati, not the way it is good. Then also you see the sexual or sex, they actually, in the Tantriana, the practice of sexual is, they simply utilize these two organs, not normal way. They fully control all the energy, flow. Fully controlled, never allowed. Emission. So that's the proper way. So such, apparently use the different sex organs, but actually still monk.
So, Your Holiness is proposing for any guru purporting to do crazy wisdom a taste test.
Yeah, just yeah, taste basically drug says in taste channel.
But that's not very reliable because there's one loophole, because the person can take drugs. And then
or drugs or something.
and then later taste.
Of course, these things, that's why I think they you see the text say, said, even necessary, 12 years, right? You must examine your teacher before actually teaching received. Or if necessary, 12 years. So that's way. So I often telling some my the Western friends, Buddhist friends, you should spy on your supposed teacher.
A person whom you may be considering
Future
on as a teacher.
The candidate of your future teacher, on him or on her, you must spy. Until you fully satisfied. That's the way.
Your Holiness, would the case that I discover after I have chosen a teacher, after careful consideration, if I later on find out that he is having sexual contact to his students, misusing his power, is that a sufficient reason to say, sorry, I won't go on with having this relationship with you anymore? If I only find out later.
Now this is the problem now. Now, as a Buddhist who practice Tantriana, now I can only say is, before receiving teaching, with motivation or with consider as your teacher. Before that, no problem. You receive teaching and then saw something wrong, then no more respect. But I feel all right. Should be. Then once you received teaching with the realization or recognition as your guru, and particularly some the tantric teaching received. After that, when you saw some problem there, then it is very, very difficult to develop disrespect towards that person. Then best thing, meantime, there is no need to keep receiving teaching or something. You can just distance, just ignore, not showing disrespect, but simply close on that side. Remain something like neutral. That's the problem. That's the only way.
And if we advise other students to follow that course of action and remain neutral, are we accumulating the negative karma of causing a separation between a student and their teacher?
The individual case control.
That would depend upon individual cases.
If you clearly see that danger, then advice should be more distance. Say like that. So no problem. If you see no problem that student, then no need to create this problem. the student kora, the Lama kora the Regan Yaga Yosibina, and the Konyan the Tajana, the Nanga Mengan, should have.
It depends upon the individual cases. For instance, that if this particular incident has potential of damaging the student's spiritual path, such as causing the loss of faith in Dharma and so forth, then of course the best course is to advise that, suggest that person to keep a respectable distance. Or in other cases, it is possible that such incidents does not really cause much damage to the student's practice or spiritual path. In that case, then one will have to respond differently.